Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel shopping experience in Malaysia. Today is my sixth vlog. You see, I come to explore today MYDIN wholesale. It's heavy raining, so I enter already the shop. It's really nice. Actually, it's a wholesale, so it's not like other shopping mall. It's just product and product. It's like wholesale product empire. Different product. I actually buy my most of daily basis skincare product from here, like shampoo, conditioner, lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush, moisturizing cream, this type of product. So bath soap, dishwasher, it's compared to other shop, here the price is low little bit, so I actually prefer this place. This shop is in Masjid Jame, so normally it's far from my home, so I don't come here in daily basis. Maybe 3-4 months gap I come here and buy my all product. It's okay this because this product, whatever I buy from here, it's not need every day, but 2-3 months at least I can adjust it. It's a grocery item aisle. Noodles, different noodles. Canned product, spices. This shop, it's a wholesale market, so it's not like there is just product. No, like other shopping mall, nicely decorated, the appearance also nicely decorated, but here this market is only just product. It's okay, different places, different vibes. I buy a lot of things from here. Outside is heavy rain, but cannot hear anything, cannot feel anything inside. Anyway, I already buy whatever I need. Now I am going to pay the bill. Here is 2 floor, first floor and second floor. The bill section is first floor. So I am waiting to pay my bill. outside is heavy rain. I should wait here to come my Grab. Anyway, I already pay my bill, just waiting to Grab. I hope you enjoy my video. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.